Recycle bin is a place where items deleted in Windows are temporarily stored until they are permanently deleted. Now, this special icon enables users to recover deleted files in Windows operating system. Now, this special tool or utility we have on our Windows interface, which is called the Recycle bin, is there to help us to manage our files, especially if we unintentionally delete some items that we need not to do so, and that item is going to be found in the recycle bin, which give us the easy access to restore or recover that deleted item. That is the power of this utility known as the recycle bin. I'm going to walk you through this icon and how to use and also how to modify it to suit your preference, because as a computer user, whenever you get the computer system, you have the room and the space to organize, modify, and also customize the way you want the look and feel of your computer system to be. So without any further ado, let's dive in and explore the world of the recycle bin. Now let's look at some functions of the recycle bin. One, it helps us to recover our deleted item. Secondly, it also allows us to customize the properties and also the appearance of the recycle bin. Thirdly, this particular tool has an auto delete option, which automatically deletes your items in the recycle bin within a specific size and also number of days. Now lastly, it also gives us the space to restore all deleted items in that particular utility. So these are the functions, or these are some of the functions of the recycle bin that we have on our Windows interface. Now this is my desktop background or my Windows interface, and I have all these items available, which are called the desktop icons. Now when you look at these items that we have here, we don't have the availability of the recycle bin icon. So what if I select this item, right click, and then choose delete from this option? Now this particular item is being deleted. How can I recover this particular option? There is no icon here, or there is no recycle bin icon for me to restore this particular item. This tells you that whenever you get access to your Windows interface, you need to make sure to activate your recycle bin if that is not initially available on the desktop. So you have to try your best to show this icon on the desktop, so that anytime you unintentionally or deliberately delete some item, you can easily find this item in the recycle bin icon. As a computer genius, because this is the only action that I perform, that is the deletion of that item we have here, I can have Ctrl+Z on the keyboard, and this is going to restore my item since I don't have the recycle bin icon. But if you have multiple deletion done within your interface, that might be a difficult or a complication operation for you to use the Ctrl+Z to recover those items. That is when this recycle bin comes in handy to perform this magic. So I'm going to delete this. Selecting this item, you can right click and choose the delete option. You can also select and then press the delete key on the keyboard. This is deleted. So how can we show this icon on the desktop so that we can recover this particular deleted item? To do this, you right click on the desktop, then you choose personalize. Now when you choose personalize, you get this beautiful window, which is the settings window. In this navigation pane, we are going to select themes. Now when you get access to the themes interface, which is this particular interface, hold down the scroll wheel, or you can use the scroll bar, scroll down, and then we are going to select an option known as the desktop icon settings. This provides us with this desktop icon settings, and we have these icons here. When you look at this list that we have here, we have this recycle bin, and this box is on check. You click to check, click on apply, then you click on OK. Now we can close this window, and when we get back to this interface, we have this icon activated and it is fully shown on the desktop. Therefore, if I want to recover the deleted item that we did or we had previously, I'm going to right click on this and choose open. And now in this window of the recycle bin, I'm going to select this item, right click and choose restore. Therefore, when I get back to my desktop, I have the item restored. So this is the power of the recycle bin. I'm going to close this window. Now let's perform some deletion or delete options and know how we can recover them using the properties or the utilities of the recycle bin. I'm going to select this item, right click and choose delete. Select this, press the delete key on the keyboard, select this, delete. Now I have most of my files and also folders deleted, and to have them or recover them, I'm going through the recycle bin. So you right click, open, and when you open this, you have all the items that you deleted in this particular window. So how can we recover our items individually or to recover all these items at once? Now if I want to recover this particular item, I can select, right click and choose restore. You can also select the item and move to the menu bar, and we have the recycle bin tools. When I select this, I have these options here. The first option is to the right, we have restore the selected item. So if I choose this option, this is going to restore this item to its location. And let me delete this. It is back to the window of the recycle bin. We also have restore all items. When I choose this, it says, are you sure you want to restore all the items from the recycle bin? And you have the yes and also the no option. So if I choose yes, you can see that I have restored all the items to their location. We also have another item here, which was a Microsoft Word file. This has also moved to its location when it was deleted. I'm going to hold Ctrl+Z on the keyboard. Now I have brought back all these items to the recycle bin. We also have this option that says recycle bin properties. It says change the available space for the recycle bin and turn confirmations on or off. If I click on this, I have this recycle bin properties and I have the room to customize this particular icon. I will get into this very soon in this particular video. We also have this empty recycle bin. When you choose this, this also gives you the option delete multiple items. Are you sure you want to permanently delete these 4 items? Yes or no? If you want to choose yes, you can do so, and if you want to choose no, you can also do so. I'm going to ignore this, so I'll choose no, and I have all these items in here. Therefore, I want to restore these 3 items. I'm going to click and drag over it to select, and then choose restore the selected items. I'm going to close this window. Now when I get to my desktop interface, I have all these items restored. It means that if these files were permanently deleted, it's going to affect my functionality when it comes to the usage of the computer system, because these files are very confidential, very sensitive to me, and I need them to perform some tasks or activities on the computer system. Now that we have been able to show the desktop icon, that is the recycle bin, and also perform some deleting options and also recover our deleted items, how can we customize this recycle bin icon to suit our preference? Now when you look at this icon, when you right click, we have properties, and even when you right click, we have these options here. You can empty the recycle bin, you can pin this icon to the start menu, you can also create a shortcut of this, you can rename, and the last option we want to focus on is the properties option. This gives you this recycle bin properties dialog box. We have general, and we have our hard disks available. We have our local disk C and also our local disk D, which I have renamed to my drive E. When you get to this, we have settings for selected location. Now we have custom size, and the maximum size given to this recycle bin is 22,020. You have the option to click and type the maximum size for the item that needs to be contained by the recycle bin, and that is going to be the maximum custom size given to it. Therefore, when this is set up, anytime you delete an item and those items in the recycle bin reach this maximum size, then any new item that you delete, you are going to have a previous item deleted. Which means that when this size is set up for this recycle bin, this will be the full size of the recycle bin that can contain its maximum content. And when it's reached its maximum size, every item that goes into it, you are going to have a permanent deletion in the recycle bin. The next option is don't move files to the recycle bin. Remove files immediately when deleted. When you choose this option and you delete an item, it means that that item will be deleted permanently without moving to the recycle bin. Also, we have this checkbox that says display delete confirmation dialog box. Anytime you want to delete something, you have a confirmation that tells you that you want to delete, yes or no, to confirm. So these are some of the customizations you can apply to your recycle bin. Another customization you can apply to the recycle bin is to right click, move to personalize, and when you get access to the settings window, we are going to select themes, and then we are going to scroll down and then choose desktop icon settings, and then we have this window available. I also have a video that talks about the recycle bin. I'll drop that video in the description below. And also, if you want to learn about introduction to Windows 10 interface, you can also have a video in the description below. Check it out to learn more about this interface. Now, in this window, we have these icons related here. We have recycle bin empty, and also we have the recycle bin full. Now, this tells you that when your recycle bin is empty, you can modify or change this icon by using this option that we have here. So if I select this, which is recycle bin empty, I can move to change icon, and I'm going to have this change icon dialog box. You can have all these icons here. You can navigate through and choose the one that will suit your preference. I'm going to select this and click on OK, and then I move to the recycle bin full. It means that if you have some items in the recycle bin, you can also modify the icon. You click on change icon, and I'm going to select this particular icon and click on OK. Click on apply and click on OK. I'm going to close this window. Now, if I move to this recycle bin, we have this item in the recycle bin, and when you get access to the recycle bin icon on the desktop, you can see that we have this change because there is an item in the recycle bin. That is why we have this icon or this modified icon for the recycle bin. Now, if I right click and choose empty recycle bin, you can see that this has automatically changed. So anytime you have the recycle bin being empty, you have its icon display, and when you have some items in the recycle bin, you have its icon also displayed. These are some of the customizations you can apply to the recycle bin and how to use it to make a better usage of your computer system. Do not get panic whenever you see the recycle bin on your desktop background, and if so you don't have it on the desktop, I have showed you how to showcase it or show it on a desktop interface, and how to perform some deletions, and how to restore all your items, and finally how to customize the recycle bin. This is what I want to illustrate to you in this particular video. If this video has been of helpful, please like, share, comment, because I'll be very appreciative to see all those elements by liking, sharing and commenting. And also, if you are new to this channel, subscribe to be part of this community, because we have a lot of systematical and educational tutorials to share on this platform. See you in the next tutorial, and let's keep learning.